In a world where every click, swipe, and transaction relies on digital technology, one profession stands as the digital fortress against threats: cybersecurity. And today, we're giving you 5 compelling reasons why a career in cybersecurity is the path to seize. Reason 1. High demand. Picture this: a world where cyber attacks are on the rise, and organizations, both big and small, are desperately seeking heroes. That hero could be you. With the ever-growing demand for cybersecurity professionals, you'll enjoy job security and a sea of opportunities to explore. Reason 2. Impressive earnings. Show me the money. In the world of cybersecurity, your skills are worth their weight in gold. The specialized knowledge you acquire is not just rewarded, it's celebrated with competitive salaries. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, prepare for a financially rewarding journey. Reason 3. Continuous learning. Do you thirst for knowledge and crave the thrill of staying ahead of the curve? Look no further. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field where every day brings new threats and technologies. It's like a thrilling game of chess, where you're the master strategist. The constant updates ensure that your work remains a challenging and intellectually stimulating adventure. Reason 4. Diverse specializations. Variety is the spice of life. Right, cybersecurity embraces it all. It's not just one job. It's a world of opportunities. From ethical hacking to incident response, security analysis to risk assessment, you have a buffet of specializations to choose from. Find your niche, follow your passion, and have a fulfilling and enjoyable career. Reason 5. Making a real difference. Saving the best for last. Imagine a career where your actions make the world safer. In cybersecurity, you're not just protecting data, you're safeguarding critical systems, individual privacy, and entire organizations from relentless cyber threats. You are the shield in the digital age, making a real, tangible impact every day. In conclusion, a career in cybersecurity offers a world of opportunities: high demand, impressive earnings, continuous learning, diverse specializations, and the chance to make a real difference in the digital realm. If you're passionate about technology and committed to keeping our digital world secure, it's time to take the plunge. Embark on an exciting journey in this vital and rewarding field, and become the guardian of the digital age.